What's up, beautiful people? So I was in the process of organizing my refrigerator. We just moved into a different apartment, and now I went from one person in the house to three, and so it's new for me to try to juggle all that stuff in the refrigerator. So I decided to share this process with you guys because one of my favorite things to watch on YouTube is organization videos. Like, I just absolutely love organization and clean with me videos. So I decided to share. So all I'm doing right now is emptying this fridge out because it was jam-packed. It was all types of stuff in there. And I'm going to go ahead and give it a quick wipe down. And then I'm going to go ahead and try to reorganize the things in the fridge. I had to take a little pit stop to the container store just to try to see if I can find some containers that will fit my fridge and kind of make it functional for me. So yeah. So I'm using a method cleaner just to spray it down. I'm not sponsored, but I do love this cleaner a whole lot. Hope you guys enjoy. I'm just going to stop talking and let you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Peace. If you have any questions, leave them down below.
Brian Little.
Japan.
Discover.
Brian Little. little.
Japan.